The polar vortex.
To the
Adding
word
new meaning.
cool. There's an icy man. There's an icy critter. What created that bone-chilling outbreak in January 2019? A severe cold snap caused by a weakened jet stream. It slaughtered 22 people. Don't let's be silly me. Don't be fooled. It could happen to you. Such as Jay Mitchell in Minnesota in 2019. This dude here was homeless. He was living in his pickup truck. His wife had just died of cancer. He loved his dog, didn't want to leave his dog in the pickup truck, so he slept out at night. Here's the story. Jay Mitchell got contacted by a local elementary school. They sent him a note, and these kids loved on Jay Mitchell. They sent him a bunch of things, a bunch of gifts, and they reached out to Jay and told him how much they cared about him. Jay Mitchell was a delightful man who happened to be homeless again, living in his pickup truck. He saved his dog by not abandoning his dog and going to a homeless shelter, but he stayed the night in a polar vortex in his pickup truck and got his toes frozen off. Poor guy lost his wife. Very emotional for him. He lost his toes. What is the polar vortex? It's a very large, long-lived, rotating, low-pressure system located near the North or South Pole, especially in winter. It's a contained cold air, contained by the jet stream. It's a vortex. Hello. The polar vortex can move south. Look out. It's a large area of low pressure and cold air. It does circulate counterclockwise. The jet stream is a band of very strong, predominantly westerly air currents encircling the globe several miles above the Earth. The polar jet keeps the vortex in the box. A weak jet and the vortex comes south. Surprise! Does global warming cause it? The science is real, folks. The change in warming higher latitudes and reducing the temperature difference between the warmer and mid-latitudes and the polar regions makes the jet stream weak and the vortex slides south. This is so exciting. Now, recently from January 2024, there's a headline, "The Polar Vortex is Acting Up Again" by climate.gov blog. Temperatures were 25 degrees below normal. Now, a case study about governments can do. From Wisconsin, land of the cheeseheads. Gotta love Wisconsin. In 2014, Wisconsin had a polar vortex, and its over-reliance on propane caused price spikes and shortages of heating capabilities. By 2019, let's give it up for Wisconsin. The state had made investments in wind turbines, and when it had a PV, energy was sustainable. Now, let's talk about the family, shall we? Squeeze! Stock up on supplies. Don't leave a gap, for the cold can be fierce with its icy slap.